Hello and welcome to another tutorial about configuring the SafeIFI Pro system with the SIG Software Safety Designer. One of the good things about the SafeIFI Pro system is that you can safely integrate third-party devices via Ethernet IP SIP Safety. And today I'd like to show you how this works. For that purpose, I've already prepared a FlexiSoft controller and configured it with an EFI Pro gateway. Now we want to add a third-party device. For every third-party device you need a so-called generic profile. So we start by adding one of these to our project. Remember that this works quite easily with a simple drag and drop operation. After that, the generic profile has been created in this way. Double-click on the profile and the device window opens. Here you can choose between importing a file from your file system, importing an example that our safety experts at SIG have pre-configured for you, or enter the settings by hand directly out of the ADS file of your third-party device. For this tutorial project, we are using one of the pre-configured examples, which you can find here. For our tutorial, we use the example with the Fanuc R30IB robot control. By double-clicking, the pre-configured settings are added to our project. Some of the settings need to be defined manually, such as the IP address and the safety network number. The IP address can be adapted from the overall project by clicking here. The robot must have the same IP address as the one in here. The safety network number can be set by clicking here and then choosing the option Take over from project. That's it. After you have defined the settings, go back to the main window of the Safety Designer. In the chapter Connection, draw the line from the FlexiSoft station to the generic profile. This way, the components get safely connected. After doing this last step, we are finished. You have successfully created a connection between a FlexiSoft controller and a third-party device via Ethernet IP SIP Safety. In case you want to connect a device that has no pre-configured example, you can easily read the required data out of the EDS file of your device. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you next time.